Okay, I want to document the parts machine as found wiring. Assuming nobody's wired this, I don't see any markings regarding the breakers, and I didn't really want to touch anything much, but I of course wiped down the one breaker just to see, and it appears the one's a 25 amp and the other is, I'm going to clean this, of course. There's a cocoon or something in there. It's a good thing. Oh, and similar to the plug, be the male plug going into the stator. Yeah, that one winding at least got a little toasty. So, I don't know. But it looks like that's also a 25 amp. So that's probably a little too high. I guess for a surge that'd be okay. I don't know what the... Man, I guess I don't know with breakers. They probably have them like a fuse, so it'd be short or slow reacting. But with that 21 amp, with the 240, that probably should be a 20 amp. Now with the 120, this is going to be depending on the 120's wired, but at least how the stator, that label claims 41 amps, in parallel, then yeah, that would be okay, a 25 amp or a 30 amp on the 120 leg. But for each of the 240 legs, I wouldn't have more than a 20. I guess a 25 would be okay, but, you know, if they don't react quick enough, then you might get one of the windings as you see there. You know, it's not good. That shouldn't get so hot where it melts, but like I said, I didn't really notice anything with the resistance. Windings look okay in the stator. Other than that, I guess we can kind of look here. I can pull these out a little better to get a feel for... This is going to be the 240. This is a 120. We've got coming into the 120. Yeah, both whites going in. See, the black is going to be what's fused. So each is going to the fuse. And we have coming out, which is which. So coming out going into the 240. The other, yeah, they're both going out to the 240. So then from the 240, they're going into the 120. Okay. And then we have, for a ground, the one white leg, which that seems correct. And this is going to be a floating, neutral floating. So, I think that's right. Double check. But, oh man, I even melted a little bit of the wire covering. These look like they're braided. Yeah, these look like a good braided, flexible wire, so nothing shady. I'm not going to open this one up right now. Obviously, those have been removed, and this is not going to be as found. Assuming this is from the factory, this one's definitely been messed with, and that was stated when, you know, it was reported when I got it. So he wasn't sure. He thought maybe the outlets were bad, and you know, I don't know, just a different. Skill level, and this can be very confusing, going from like residential wiring to the generator wiring. The generator wiring has way more options, and it starts getting into more like electronics, so you kind of, there's more to confuse. Other than that, I think that's all I wanted to document was how this wiring is, so I can draw up a schematic to detail this. At least this design, and then basically I can take this methodology, which is what I was thinking, and apply to this, and we'll see. For now, I think I might just wire or screw this in to the Vanguard system, and then just test her out. I'm curious to see. That's after I get my kilowatt meter repaired. So reading into that, I'll make a video on that. Looks like there's thermal fuses that blow out. So I probably have to replace the thermal fuse, but I'll open it up and I'll try to document and tear that down. When I disassemble, I should say, I'm not going to tear that down and use for parts, but disassemble before I repair. Okay, other than that, be safe, stay healthy, and Christ be with you.